Hey folks, welcome to English 300. Before we go any farther, a quick note. Our class is going to be using this English 300 website solely. We are not going to be using the ENG WR support course. So just always come here for our class. When you log in, you should come directly to the home page. This page includes quite a bit of material that you're going to find useful, including links to announcements, the syllabus, various modules, your grades, and some other resources. Down a little ways, you will find information about contacting me. You will find information about accommodation and a Q&A discussion board we have. Probably the most useful thing you're going to find in our class is going to be the to-do list. This is a list of items that you need to complete. Once you've completed one, if it doesn't disappear automatically, you can just click on the X and that will take it off of the list. This list of items is going to be pretty long for the first couple weeks as we're getting ready and getting on board. The good news is that most of these things you need to do only take a couple of minutes. Once you're done navigating this page, you'll want to follow the Start Here link, which will take you to our orientation module. Make sure you read through all of this by clicking on the next buttons. Then you will end up at the syllabus module. Make sure you've read through the syllabus completely. And you will need to take 2 quizzes at the end of it before you're able to access any other material in the course. Don't worry though, those quizzes can be taken as many times as you need to get 100%. In the syllabus, you will find a page that talks about grades. We're using a slightly different grading standard than you may have encountered before. So after you read this page, there will be a video for you to watch that will try to explain it to you in more detail. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me and ask. And again, that contact information is right here. You can also simply click on the inbox, and this will allow you to create a new message. You would select the course, and then you would type in my name here, and then it would send me an email through Canvas, which is pretty darn handy. Okay. Now that we've looked at the home page, I'd like to walk you through a module. So we have one module for each week of class. These are cleverly labeled Module 1, Module 2, Module 3. The modules include the dates and some idea about what the topic is. Each module is organized into things that should be completed by the end of the day on Tuesday and things that should be completed by the end of the day on Thursday. These items include readings, or videos to watch, which have these little page icons. The little rocket ship means that you have a review quiz on the item immediately above it. So there is a review quiz on netiquette. And then down at the bottom, this little pencil with on a piece of paper means that you've got one or another sort of writing or discussion board exercise. If we look at a sample page, you will see that there is an image that lets you know kind of what you're looking at. There's an introduction, there's some information, and then it tells you what the module objective is. Then following that, there will be a quiz that you can take as many times as you need. I've also included a link to a tutorial on taking quizzes if you are having any trouble there. One annoying hiccup with the quiz page is that it can be difficult to get out of it. So you want to either click back to the home page or maybe use your browser's back button. For most of the material, you will be watching lectures that I or somebody else have created, and I've tried to include a list of items that you should pay attention to as you are watching the video. The quizzes that follow, those questions will be based on these items I've told you to keep an eye out for. And these items in turn are going to relate directly back to your next essay or discussion board assignment. Okay, let's look at assignments. When you have an assignment due, you will have a rubric or some other scoring guideline that will tell you what you need to accomplish in that module. So if, for example, we look at the discussion board in Module 2, you will see that there is an assignment that tells you what you need to do in your initial post, tells you what you need to do in your response. And then if you click on this little hamburger menu right over here, you can show the rubric, and this will show you how you are being assessed or what I'm going to be looking for in that assignment. I hope you found all of this useful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing all of you online.